Assalamu alaikum everybody. So today I'm gonna make black coffee and you're gonna love this version because once you get addicted to it, you can't stop having this coffee this way. So first of all, I'm gonna take about half teaspoon of organic honey. You can use any form of sweet thing. You can use brown sugar, and then we're gonna take about 1 teaspoon coffee. I love it more strong, so I'm going to take about 1.5 teaspoon of it. This one I love. And the water is boiled, so it's going to be a little ready, and I've made a mess. Okay. So let's mix this. I'm going to have this bit of lemon, about 1 squeeze of lemon. If you like it, if you don't, it's optional. But once you get the taste of lemon and honey with this coffee, it's amazing. The aroma is amazing. Alright, so all the coffee lovers, give it a try. This is one of the best thing that can happen to you every morning. So to get me started for the day, this is something that really helps me boost energy and good to go. Let me know how do you like this one. Take care, have a great day. Bye.